How to avoid AutoDS bans or errors when syncing products. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using AutoDS to manage your dropshipping store, you might have run into sync errors, listing issues, or worse, account warnings and bans. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can avoid AutoDS bans and syncing errors, especially when you're uploading or managing your product listing. So, whether you're selling on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Shopify, this guide will help you protect your store and run smoother operations. Before we get started, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, why do bans and errors happen in AutoDS? First off, why do these issues even happen? AutoDS is a powerful automation tool, but it depends heavily on the rules of your selling platform. For example, eBay, Facebook, etc., your supplier settings, and how you configure your account. When these things are misaligned, AutoDS might run into sync problems, or worse, your selling account can get flagged for violating policies. That's why proper setup and awareness are key. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the top mistakes that lead to AutoDS syncs, issues, or bans. Number one is listing VERO or prohibited products. VERO stands for Verified Rights Owner. These are copyrighted or trademark products that eBay, Facebook, and other marketplaces don't allow unless you're authorized to sell them. For example, you have Nike, Apple, Disney, Supreme, Sony, or any big brands out there. Examples are knockoffs or lookalike items, or you can even call it fake, and some medical, restricted electronics, or weapons. Now, how to avoid it? You want to use AutoDS built-in VERO protection filter. You always want to research your product before listing it, and you want to avoid the branded keywords in your titles and descriptions. Now, the second top mistake is using unstable or unsupported supplier. AutoDS works with several trusted suppliers, but some work better than others depending on your platform. For example, eBay prefers AutoDS supported supplier with known shipping and return policies like Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress. Facebook Marketplace is picky when or with tracking numbers and shipping regions. Now, how to go ahead and avoid it? You want to stick with the AutoDS approved suppliers. Once again, this can be Temu, eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and more. You want to avoid third-party marketplaces that don't guarantee stock consistency. Now, the third top mistake is incorrect break-even or pricing settings. Wrong pricing formulas can trigger listing errors or lead to negative profit, which can indirectly cause account issues if you cancel too many orders. Now, how to avoid it? You want to set your break-even percentage accurately. Include platform plus the payment fees. You want to double-check your minimum profit settings. And lastly, you want to test a few product listings before selling. Now, the fourth top mistake is syncing products too fast. You need an account warm-up. If you're starting a new account and you've suddenly synced hundreds of products in one go, platforms like Facebook or eBay may flag your store as spammy or bot-driven. Now, how can you avoid it? You want to warm up your account slowly. You want to start with 5 to 10 listings per day and gradually increase after 2 to 3 weeks of activity. AutoDS even recommend this. Don't rush your uploads. The fifth top mistake is multiple IPs or frequent logins. If you use AutoDS and manually log into your selling account from too many different devices or locations, platform may assume that you're being hacked or violating policy. Now, how can you avoid this? You want to stick to one device or use residential proxies if needed. You want to avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive logins, and you don't want to share your login unless absolutely necessary. Now, how to go ahead and configure AutoDS to reduce your errors. Now, let's go over some settings in AutoDS that will protect your account and improve syncing accuracy. Number one is that you want to enable price and stock monitoring. AutoDS will check your supplier's listing every few hours and pause your listing if the item goes out of stock and if the item reprices automatically if the supplier changes their price. So to edit the settings, you just want to go through monitors and enable price and stock monitoring. This prevents you from selling something that you can't deliver, which is a fast track to account flags or even scams. Number two is that you want to turn on out of stock protection. Under the same settings, you'll see the out of stock protection. Now, instead of deleting the listing, if the item becomes unavailable, it will simply hide or unpublish it, allowing you to reuse it later if it comes back in stock. Now, the third one is that you want to use the AutoDS item checker. This is an optional tool. AutoDS has a tool that lets you scan your listing to see if any products are very risky, missing data, or have supplier synced issues. You will go ahead and find this setting under Products tab in your dashboard, and then you want to look for the scan or audit icon. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some extra tips to stay safe while dropshipping. Here are some bonus tips that go way beyond dropshipping or AutoDS, but still will protect your business. Number one, you want to avoid canceling too many orders. You always want to check stock levels before listing. You want to respond to customers fast. eBay and Facebook track your response time. You want to keep returns simple. You want to make sure that your supplier supports easy returns. Now, you want to review your analytics weekly. You want to identify error-prone listing before they even hurt you. And lastly, you always want to keep AutoDS and your selling platform connected properly. If you change a password or get a security alert, reauthorize the connection ASAP to avoid desyncing. So there you have it, the full breakdown of how you can go ahead and avoid AutoDS bans and syncing errors when managing your product. Remember, automation is powerful, but only when it's configured properly. One bad setting can go ahead and lead to unnecessary account stress. But with these tips, you'll stay ahead of the curve and protect your dropshipping business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AutoDS tutorials, dropshipping guides, and e-commerce strategies. Thanks for watching.